Quebon.
What can you see when looking at a circle? What can you see? What else can you see? Today, we'll learn to visualize the invisible. If we look at a circle, we should be able to see the point in the center. Because this point is in the center, we call it the central point. Now, a straight line is drawn on the circle. What do you see besides the circle and the line? Great! We should be able to see the central point when we look at a circle. What else do you see? You should also see these 2 points. Why is that? Since these 2 points on the circumference of the circle are on opposite sides of the line, we can infer that these points are special and important. What do you see next? You should see the lines that connect the central point to these 2 points. We should also recognize that these lines are equal in length. Additionally, we should be able to recognize that these 2 angles are equal. In order to see all these different things, we need to know the basis. A circle. We need to know how this circle is created. How do you draw a circle? What comes into your mind? Nice job! We create a central point and draw like this using a compass. What comes into your mind if you see a compass? Equal distance. It's a tool used to create equal distances. We know that combining all the points equal in length from one point by using a compass gives us a circle. So, we should be able to think of the word distance when seeing a circle. Specifically, equal distance. From where? From one point. Point. If we say that this one point is the central point, the lines that connect it to all the points on the circle's circumference are of equal length. Obviously. So, the lengths of these 2 lines are equal. Now, if we draw a line on the bottom, we form a triangle. A triangle that has 2 equal sides are called an isosceles triangle. We can picture folding this isosceles triangle in half to create 2 identical right triangles. So, the 2 angles are equal. We can see so many things from a simple image of a circle and a line. If we keep thinking this way, we can see a lot of things in difficult and complicated problems. Once we have the ability to see these things, the answer will come eventually. Every question entails an answer. It's just that we can't see it. This is why the power to visualize the invisible is extremely important. That's it. Quebon.
Quebon.